Hey there, welcome to John Stewart's Calculus Early Transcendentals 9th edition. This is question number 6. So it's a pretty simple question here. We're just taking the instructions just tell us to differentiate, which means to take the derivative. And we're going to take the derivative of 3x plus x squared times cos x. So let's jump right in. So basically we have to figure out what the question is asking for. It wants a derivative, and the goal of this is it basically wants you to be able to locate the formulas in a formula sheet and probably memorize them. So the first one is basically you're just taking when you take the derivative of a polynomial, you take the old power n, move it in front, and subtract 1 from it. The second one is that the derivative of cos x is just negative sign. Okay, so let's jump right in and take the derivative here. So with respect to taking derivative, you'll notice that there's a term with the variable in it, x squared, multiplied by also another term with the variable in it, cos x. That's a huge hint when you see a multiplication like that you're going to have to use the power rule. So I start by basically taking the derivative and splitting into 3 terms. The first term is I'm taking the derivative of 3x, which is nice and simple. The second term, I'm taking the derivative of cos x multiplied by the x squared just left alone, which is part of the power rule. And then the next time, I'm taking the derivative of x squared and I'm leaving the cos x alone. So going on to the next line, the derivative of 3x is simply 3. The x squared stays the same because it's outside the derivative. The derivative of cos x is negative sign, and going on to the third term, the cos x stays the same because it's outside of the derivative, and the derivative of x squared is simply 2x. So next step, all that I do is I just organize everything in order of polynomial. So in this case, I put the x squared term at the front, and you gotta remember that there's that minus in the sign, so it becomes minus x squared sine x, plus you have the 2x cos x, which is from the last term, and then you have plus 3. And that's it. That's all you have to do to solve this problem. So basically its goal is to just get you to memorize those derivatives through rote practice. Yeah, I hope this video comes in handy. If you guys have another problem you'd like a little walkthrough for because you're stuck on it or you just need someone to break it down for you, let me know which problem. Just give me the chapter and section number and question down below in a comment and I'll try to do my best to solve it. If it's from a different textbook, I might not have it, so just email me a picture of the question to my email address. It's in the description below. And like this video so other people can see it. Thank you. Bye.